When we gaze up into the cosmos, it's easy to be captivated by the breathtaking visuals. But what if the universe had a soundtrack, an unheard symphony that we're only just beginning to tap into? That's where the incredible method known as sonification comes into play. Simply put, sonification is the process of translating scientific data into sound. Astronomers use this technique to bring into focus the vibrations of celestial bodies. Take neutron stars, for example. These dense remnants of supernovae emit a flickering pattern that transforms into a unique pulsating sound under sonification. This audio allows scientists to examine these space objects in a different sensory dimension, potentially unlocking new discoveries wallowing in silence. And believe it or not, we can also hear black holes collide through this transformation of gravitational waves into sound waves. Listening to the cosmos in this way gives us clues about phenomena that are invisible to our eyes, opening a whole new way of understanding our universe. It's like putting on a different set of cosmic headphones, shifting from the visual spectrum to an auditory one. Sonification doesn't replace our visual observations of space, but complements it, enriching our understanding of the complex cosmos. With every tone beat, we peel back another layer of space's mystifying veil. But this process is not exclusive to pulsating neutron stars or colliding black holes. Even the subtle whisperings of distant galaxies or the chaotic dance of solar flares from our sun have a voice in this universal quiet. As sonification continues to evolve, who knows what unheard cosmic concert awaits our ears? May it be the ancient bellows of cosmic dust clouds, or the newborn cries of a star being birthed. Each sound, each note tells a tale of the universe's creation, existence, and eventual ending. Our symphony of the cosmos may still be in its prelude. There are many more movements and melodies yet to be discovered. So the next time you look up at the star-studded sky, remember there's an entire cosmic orchestra playing a symphony just beyond our human perception. Thank you for tuning into today's celestial concert. Do remember to subscribe and join us as we journey through the universe, 1 decibel at a time. Until next time, keep your ears to the stars.